You're listening to Luxury FM. You hear that? That sounds like the sound of your name. The room hums with quiet, just the low thrum of rain against the window and the faint flicker of candlelight tracing over skin. You can hear your own breath, steady, slow, matching on others. Fingers hover, almost touching, letting the air between them tingle with unspoken want. Every inch closer feels louder than a word, and yet no one speaks. A hand finds yours, the warmth delicate, deliberate. The candle wavers, throwing gold against the wall like a pulse. You don't need to see the eyes to know they're watching you, memorizing you. When they whisper your name, it isn't just a word, it's a sound that lingers, slipping under your skin, settling somewhere between your heartbeat and your breath. And in that quiet moment, the world outside fades until there's only this: the closeness, the warmth, and the rhythm of two voices sharing silence. This has been Luxury FM. Thanks for tuning in.